Hi there, I'm Jennifer Page, the Instructional Designer for SU Online. I hope you'll join me for the upcoming SU Online faculty development sessions on inclusive design. If you aren't sure what inclusive design is, that's okay. According to Shane Doyle, inclusive design is a way of creating digital products, in our case, online classes, that enable a wide range of diverse people to access those products. This includes designing for people with and without disabilities. When we design inclusively, we're trying to make each learner feel like a valued member of the learning community so that they can achieve their academic goals. In the first session on Thursday, November 12th at 3 p.m., we'll talk about learner-learner interaction and how building a sense of community enables learners to succeed in online classes. We'll also go over the associated Quality Matters standards and Department of Ed guidance for distance learning. I'll show you a variety of ways to incorporate learner-learner interaction so you can choose what works best for your class. On Monday, November 16th at 3:30 p.m., we'll talk about incorporating multimedia and UDL in online classes. Multimedia, specifically user-friendly and accessible multimedia, is the focus of 3 QM standards. In this session, I'll show you how to find usable and accessible media and build it into your classes. If you aren't sure what UDL is, no worries. According to the Center for Applied Special Technology, or CAST, Universal Design for Learning, UDL, is a framework to improve and optimize teaching and learning for all people based on scientific insights into how humans learn. In other words, it's an approach to course design that allows a diverse group of students to engage with your course content in a variety of ways. The last session in this series will be an introduction to accessibility in online classes, including a discussion of relevant QM standards and federal guidelines. In this session, I'll preview an accessibility workshop series planned for the spring, where faculty will learn how to make their own materials accessible for students with unique needs. So you might be asking, how can these sessions help me? These sessions will show you ways to make your online classes more engaging, inclusive, and accessible. If your class looks something like this, a series of files without explanation, a wall of interminable text, or organization that isn't intuitive, odds are that learners have a hard time engaging, becoming invested in the class, and feeling like a member of the learning community, all of which make online learning more challenging and discouraging. By incorporating learner-learner interaction, multimedia, and accessibility principles in your design, your online courses could be more user-friendly, like in this example course. There are lots of ways to design effective courses, and these faculty development sessions will give you plenty of ideas to get started. If you want to join me for these sessions, please click the registration link in the video description below. Thank you.